Hey folks, it's Greg with Strange RV Tours. Today I'm in Las Vegas and I'm at Arizona Charlie's Hotel and Casino. This is really more of a locals casino, a really nice place. Let's check it out, save some money.
Strange RV Tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fit your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on the air.
Arizona Charlie's Hotel and Casino. It's on Boulder Highway in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's really considered more of a locals casino. They do have a nice hotel attached to the property. They also have really good food specials. They have all you can eat pancakes for $3.99. They have a large farmhouse breakfast for $3.99. They usually have a 4 or 5 course meal for like $19.99 in the Santa Fe restaurant, I believe is what it's called inside. Let's check it out. Putting in a restaurant area here and bar. Got a bar over here. I'll take you over, let you see the sports book. We have a really nice sports book here for a locals casino. I do not believe they have resort fees here. Upstairs there's more gaming, and their market buffet is up here and their cafe is up here. They do have really good food here. When we first went over the road, we spent about 6 weeks staying here at a park right next to Arizona Charlie's, and really enjoyed their food here. This is their bingo parlor, bingo area. The Yukon Grill. That's it. It's not the Santa Fe Grill. It's the Yukon Grill. This place here has excellent, excellent food, and they always have a special going for a 4 or 5 course dinner. The RV park for Arizona Charlie's is, let me see if I can get you a decent shot of this. They have a sign right here between the 2 palm trees, says entrance ahead RV park. See if I can't walk over there and give you a little idea of what it looks like. And I'm not sure what the prices are of the RV park here. When we stayed close to here, we were staying in 1000 Trails Park, but I would imagine they're somewhere between $30 and $50 a day. You can call Arizona Charlie's to find out for sure. Okay, I'm right over here at the entrance into the RV park, which is right next door to Arizona Charlie's. Give you an idea of it. It's a very nice looking park. Got the park registration building right here in front of us. Nice facility. All right, I'm gonna drive through Arizona Charlie's RV park and give you guys kind of a look at it, see what you think about it. See, they do have a pool and a pool deck. Looks to me like the spaces are really pretty narrow here. They do look like they have a lot of pull-throughs, but they are narrow spaces. Which here in Vegas, you're gonna find a lot of narrow spaces in the parks here, because space is very, very expensive here in Las Vegas. Land is very expensive, so they try to fit as many of them in as they can. And it looks like they do accept RVs that are 10 years or older. 10 years old or older. A lot of the parks here in Vegas will not. Some of them will accept an RV that's 10 years old or older, as long as you send photos in advance. If there's any body damage, they're not going to let you in. I did notice when I came in that this is not a gated facility. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Arizona Charlie's Hotel, Casino, and RV Park. If you did, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, hit the little bell up in the corner for notifications. Please share these videos. Check out our Patreon site. And until next time, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.